Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to fix a loose ring on a clarinet barrel. The same thing as the one that's on the middle joint, the lower joint. This happens a lot of times, especially right now. This is a wood clarinet body and it's middle of winter, so it's super dry, so the wood draws up a little bit. It doesn't take much for it to get loose. You don't necessarily want to glue that on. If any crack work has to be done later, that's a pain for the technician. So what you're going to do instead is really easy. All you need is a mallet. I have a little rawhide mallet here, but you can steal your chime mallet. You're not going to hurt it. Razor blade and a piece of paper, post-it note. And so all we're going to do is I'm going to take the ring off. I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to wrap it around. Doesn't matter if it doesn't go all the way around. The piece of paper will be enough. And I'm going to take my ring. One side is chamfered, has an angle on it. That's the side that's going to go down. It'll want to get started easier for us. Kind of press it on a little bit, get it started, tap it down until I'm most of the way there. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a gap still, so now I'm going to tear off my excess, take my razor blade, I'm going to run it around the inside to trim the paper up. From the inside so it's not visible once it's seated, and then same thing if this is going to, once it's all the way down, I don't want the paper sticking out, so before it's there I can run this around that groove and trim off any extra paper that is in there. Just running around against that ring. You're not going to hurt the body, this is okay. Okay, so I've got all the extra out. Now I'm just going to take my mallet, tippy tap, and then there it is. Fixed.